Yes, you have your backup.
Yeah.
I introduced myself.
Yeah. I'll give you some background in a second.
Yeah, no problem. Good thing today. Tomorrow's going to be like 5 degrees.
Yeah.
I mean, this is supposed to be only 30, but it still feels pretty darn cold.
So it's that easy.
Well, you got to have $1 million piece of equipment to make it that easy, but yeah, it's all about the tools.
Right,
I learned that a long time ago. You don't buy cheap tools.
All right, so the demolition's happening, and right over here we have David Herbert, who's our project manager, making sure everything is happening. A phenomenal guy. Can I get you on the video, Henry? And we have Henry out with us. Making sure this is all well documented. That we finally get rid of this house so we can put up our belongings here.
The gentleman walked by earlier who was explaining to me how he replaced a lot of the windows in that house before the lady died. And I got the full story.
Well, there goes his windows.
There goes it.
Yeah. I'm going to stop in 1 more minute.
You should have left the electric connector. You could have had some fireworks.